Hi viewers, let us continue our video. This is our 2D plan and here I want to give the doors and windows for this. So here we have the doors and windows option. Just click on doors option. Here it will be changes. Go to edit type. Here we have the option of load or go to duplicate any one of those. In this we have to select the doors here. Click on OK. In this, first of all, you just click on it. Here we have the doors like this. Here it will be visible here which type of doors when I select here, like this. This is our decorative. This is also used for main door. If not, there is a glass doors. And if not, single raised panel with slide lights will be also taken. I want to take the main door as this. Click on open and click on OK. Yeah, here sorry, it is not selected. Again go to edit type. Here go to load option and here just click on doors, click on open, and here I want to select the single raised panel with slides. Click on open. Yes, if you select it, it will be coming here. Now I want to give the door here. This is the main door. Yeah, here it will be implemented like this. This is the main door here. It will be like this. Next I want to take another door. If you click here, our previous selected doors are visible here. In this I want to select this single door. Here it will be also implemented here. Like this, we want to give the doors at different places, different types of doors for different rooms. First of all, when I select a wall, it will be of height 20 feet. So I want to select this all walls. Once we have to select all the doors, and here we have the option of unconnected. Here I want to give the height as 10 feet. Click on enter. Yes, now it will be visible perfectly. This is our normal height of building. Why I want to give the door here also? Why? Because these are common bathroom. I want to divide here after that. If not, there are two doors, one are unwanted. If you want, delete this. Like this. This is my kitchen and these two are my bedrooms and this is my hall and this is our veranda. And now go to windows and take windows to apply here. Here I have only one window, so I want to go to edit option, edit type. In this edit, go to load option. Here we have the options of windows. Just click on it and open it. And here we have the different types of windows. When you click on the name, it will be visible at our right side. So in this all, I want to take the 3x3 window like this. Click on OK. like this. Here if you want to change the dimensions also, no, I don't want to change the height and width, I want to take direct. If not, here also you have to take the 36 inches by 48 inches. Here the level is visible, it is our window level. Like this. When you touch the window at the level, it will be visible like this. It will be 3 feet to the ground level. It will be enough for this. So this is our 6 windows and doors will be 4 without bathroom doors, our main door and with 2 bedrooms doors, 1 kitchen door. It will be taken like this. If you see this, how to make a doors and windows for a building in Revit. Okay, in our next video we have to view the components and the floor and slab of this building. Okay, thank you.